Have you ever wondered why we say I will call you or I would call you? Actually, both of them are correct. But why do we choose one over the other? So that's what we are going to learn today. Today, I'm going to teach you the difference between will and would. I wish somebody could have explained it to me the way I'm going to explain you today, because this is going to be super easy and crisp, and this concept is never going to be your problem again. I'm going to make you guys understand all the types of sentences which comes in will and would, and of course with real life examples, and of course with words best explanation. What's the best explanation? That's too much, but yes, I give my best. I try my best. You learn from it. Now, first thing first, that where to use will. First, when you are 100% sure about something. Second, when you are making any decision. Third, when you are making any promises to somebody, then we use will. Let's see with examples. I will go to office tomorrow. This is something for which I'm 100% sure कि भाई ऑफिस तो जाना ही है. I will go to office tomorrow. Next, if you are making promises to somebody, I will call you tonight. I will help you. I will support you. This is my promise which I'm making to you. This is some kind of promise I'm making. Then I'm using will there. Next, when you are making any kind of decision, I am tired now, I will sleep. मतलब भाई मैं थक चुकी हूँ, अब मैं सोने वाली हूँ. This is my decision. Let's see more examples. I will upload this video tomorrow. This is my decision that कि हाँ मैं कल ये वीडियो अपलोड करने वाली हूँ. We will definitely get fluency. You will watch my video till the end. She will join my classes tomorrow. They will arrive here soon. So you see here, whenever you have to talk about future, you can directly use will without giving any second thought to it. Got it? Now next is would. So would mainly has three uses. So first use is past of will. Whenever you have to say उसने कहा था कि वो मेरी मदद करेगी, उसने कहा था कि वो मुझे कॉल करेगा. This kind of sentences, whenever you have to say, then directly use would without giving any second thought to it. So sentences. She said that she would call me. He said that he would help me. He said that he would finish his task on time. उसने कहा था कि वह आएगा. He said that he would come. Easy. Second use of would is polite request. Whenever you are making any kind of polite request to somebody, simply use would there. For example, would you like to have tea? Would you help me, please? Would you come to my home today? Would you help me in my project? Would you mind waiting for me? Would you please subscribe my channel? Would you please open the door? Third use of would is imaginary or unrealistic situation. That situation has to do nothing with reality, but just we are making situations in that way. And most of the time, we make such sentences with if. Example, if I were you, I would travel the world. She would marry me if I were rich. If I had money, I would buy that car. If I were the prime minister, I would change the law. You see here, some kind of condition is coming कि ऐसा हो जाता तो ऐसा हो जाता. Okay, so this kind of condition is coming. That is simple. So you see, in just a few minutes, I have solved your biggest problem of using will and would. So that's it guys about our today's video. I hope you have understood this and you have jotted down the ideas which I told you, the examples. If you did not, watch this video again. It's free. So this is the challenge which we are following, 30 days English learning challenge, where every day we come up with some of the new ideas for learning English and some of the great activities where every day we are learning something new. So you must subscribe this channel and please share this video with your friends, family, so that they can also learn English. Do not forget to subscribe this channel for watching more such informational videos. I will see you in the next video.